Namaste. My name is Will Zimmerer. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak how to deal with regret. We try to see in everything the good and the negative, because everything has two poles. In my worst experience, I have learned the most. So there exist three regrets, I think. One regret is that we have lost somebody and that we think that we didn't have done enough for that person. The next, we have done wrong, we had an accident and we have heard something worse. And the third is we have failed, we have done wrong, and we got a big loss, and we regret. The worst regret is that we can't adjust it anymore because the person is dead and so on. Okay, now I want to come to the case number one. We have lost somebody. Think over, we have a limited time every day, and we can't serve everybody selflessly or at the best, because we have to prioritize our time and we have to do our work. We have to do maybe meditation to serve God. We have to serve our family. And then there's not enough time for everybody. And after we have lost this person, we think we have done too less. For sure, TV looking is not on my plan. Okay, but the thing is done. So just to punish us and to cry and to be angry, and to feel depressed will not serve anybody. The best is to feel our sadness, our anger for a certain time, like 1 week and 2 weeks. And then to go on with our life and to help other people in their calamities, in their problems. This will help also ourselves. I have helped quite a lot of people with suicide. Even I didn't know these people, I've done it. And I was furious again and again that even their best friends didn't help that person because they have labeled it as negative person and so on. After this loss, never judge any person as a negative person or say get rid of negative person. And try to become a better person who have more compassion for everybody. And so you will profit from your loss. The next thing is with accident. Even I try my best to be aware to 100%. I can't be. Everybody has a bad day and then we have an accident. So this means an accident can't be avoided. And today I make it very simple. I've done something wrong and I say automatically, thank you that nothing worse had happened. And I try to become better in this area. And believe me one thing, this is magic. So if the accident had happened already, we try to adjust the situation and feel our pain, our negative suppressed feelings, and so on. And then we try to help other people, or we help other people, so that we adjust the situation and profit from the situation. The third point is we have done something wrong, we have failed, and so on. Everybody does so, it's quite normal. And we regret that. Again, don't punish yourself. Feel your pain, feel your negative feelings. And if you have felt all your negative feelings about that, then your next chance will come. I've seen it again and again. We are not ready. If we are stuck in our negative suppressed feelings, then we don't attract the good thing. But if we have released our negative feelings, the good situation will come. And you will profit from every experience when you learn from that. And so we try to learn something, fine. And so we become better in this area, great. And for this, we got this bad experience. For this, we failed to learn something more. And now the next point is how to avoid failing. Okay. Do your best always, everywhere, to every time. Even you think that I'm a lousy perfectionist, I feel much more lousy if I don't do my best and I fail, because I could avoid it. At the end, it's just do your best, don't be a coward, don't be stingy, don't be lazy. And life will be nice, will be great. You will have very less regrets. Okay. Thank you very much that I could speak to you, and bye.